this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. In category 2. Room category 3. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Let's talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen how to speak by requesting photo ID and check-in. The location of the hotel is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Some numbers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. But you can use your the link provided in the description. For more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can let us by communicating. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet,